How to upgrade to Windows 11 for free. To upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free, you can download and install it same way you would do with any new version of Windows. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Updates, and click Check for updates. If available, you will see Upgrade to Windows 11. Click Download and install. From here, your device should update the same way it would with any other Windows update. Click Restart to complete the upgrade. You are in Windows 11 now. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.